Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to format and beautify your SQL code with ease. So visit this website web tools or search on Google webtools.barkatireza. Then underneath this developer tools you will get this tool setting. Click on it. Now paste your code here, then submit. So this way you can format and beautify codes, SQL code online. And this is the website is complete free. And just you need to sign in with your Google account. So thanks for watching and comment this video useful for you. And there are about in this website 1500 tools, and all tools are free to use. Just you need to sign up with your Gmail account. Thanks for watching.